I just discovered magic. I learned how to turn all natural ingredients into shower steamers that I'm gonna use today. Let's make this shower steamer recipe so that when you're stuffed up, you can be unstuffed in seconds. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. Let's get started with this month's recipe box. Before I tell you what you will need for this recipe, we at Simply Earth are obsessed with teaching you how to use your essential oils. And that is why if you get our recipe box, all the ingredients you'll need are in there, or you can go to our website to buy each ingredient individually. Here's what you'll need. You're gonna wanna grab your October recipe box. First, you are going to grab your recipe card. The first item I'm gonna need is my menthol crystals. For the essential oils for this recipe, you are going to need Breathe Easy. From your big bonus box, you're gonna grab your solid coconut oil. And from your kitchen, you're gonna grab your baking soda and a soap mold or an ice cube tray. Let's get started. The first step to this recipe, you're gonna use a tablespoon of coconut oil. You're gonna melt it either in a double boiler or in the microwave. All right, now that this is in the dish, I'm gonna pop this in the microwave and I'll be right back. All right, next up, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of the menthol crystals into your melted coconut oil. Then we're gonna stir to have these guys melt. All right, now we're gonna add our essential oils. We are going to add 10 drops of Breathe Easy. We're gonna stir this to make sure it's evenly incorporated. And then next step is to add the baking soda. So now we're gonna add a half of a cup of baking soda. Grab a spatula so that I can stir this all together. The consistency is gonna look kind of like wet sand. Once you have it all mixed together well. Now I'm gonna grab my soap mold and put the ingredients into the soap mold. You also can use an ice cube tray. All right, on this step, don't worry if you get everything everywhere because you're gonna push the mixture into the mold. So don't worry about getting it everywhere like I did. All right, now that this is in the mold, we're gonna set it aside and let it dry for about 24 hours. All right, now that this has been sitting for about 24 hours, I am gonna pop them out of the molds. Super cute. I'm really happy I used the flower mold. All right, now that these are out of the molds, you can put them in a jar if you want to, or a baggie, or just place them on like a shelf so that they're ready to go when you're ready to use them. Let's test it out. To use these guys, you put this on the floor of your shower, and then the hot water and the steam will break down the ingredients, and the essential oils and the menthol crystals will come up into the air, and it'll be absolutely amazing. You can make this too. I love seeing all your creations on social media, so tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag #IMadeThis so that I can see all your creations too. If you want to learn how to turn your essential oils into natural products just like this, go get our Simply Earth recipe box. We'll actually teach you how to turn essential oils into natural goodness just like this.